Our top story here at 7, the driver who was behind the wheel of a massive tour bus that smashed into 6 cars in Virginia will face a judge today.
5 people were killed on I-95 in Stafford County when that crash occurred. Let's get out to Melody this morning with more on what the next steps will be.
Well, a very busy day here in Stafford County. And of course, as we get through this case, there will be a lot of evidence yet to come, both from the prosecution and the defense, as to whether this driver is indeed responsible for this crash or whether something else caused him to wreck. Criminal defense attorneys predict this is going to be a difficult case to defend.
Stafford County has a historically very tough prosecutor's office, and they're going to seek justice for anyone that's a victim in their county. So even that highway that goes through Stafford County, that prosecutor is going to make sure the people that drive through that county are going to be held accountable for any crime.
48-year-old Jing Shengdong, the tour bus driver from Staten Island, New York, spent 10 days in the hospital. He was released from medical care Tuesday and booked into the Rappahannock Regional Jail. Virginia State Police say Dong was behind the wheel of a tour bus with 34 passengers headed from New York City to Charlotte, North Carolina, south on I-95 in Stafford County, early in the morning of May 29th. Investigators believe Dong never hit the brakes before plowing into those 6 cars that were slowing for a construction zone. 5 people were killed, including 4 members of a Massachusetts family headed to a wedding in South Carolina. 44 others were injured. Dong now faces 5 counts of felony involuntary manslaughter and a reckless driving charge. Prosecutors will have to prove that Dong was criminally negligent when his bus crashed. Now, if convicted, the driver faces up to 10 years in prison. He has to appear this morning in both district court first and then circuit court, and we'll finally learn after the end of those court appearances what his plea will be.